Play and laugh, the games begin. Little friends with joyful grin. Colors bright on board displayed. Rolling dice, a move is made. Chessmen dance in neat array. Quiet minds at work and play. Carom coins slide smooth and fast. Flick and hit, the strikes will last. Ludo paths from start to end. Rolling high, the dice will send. Hands clap soft with happy cheers. Sharing fun that lasts for years. Tiny fingers dot the board. Planning moves with bright accord. Pieces hover, then they fall. Quiet triumphs, big and small. Joyful faces beam with pride. Every turn a thrilling ride. Games unite them one and all. Friends together, having a ball. Deep in thought, the night does glide. Planning moves with eyes so wide. Dice roll fast across the square. Hope it lands just with a care. Queen takes charge with power grand. Victory lies within my hand. Flick the coin with skill so neat. Scoring points is such a treat. Careful aim, the striker flies, bringing cheers and brightened eyes. Counting coins and joy takes flight. Laughter fills the room so bright. Step by step the token goes, safe and sound as everyone knows. Together we cheer, together we play. Friends and fun brighten the day. Thoughtful moves to block the way. Guarding strong throughout the play. Ready once more to start the fun. Together playing till day is done. The dice will dance, then it will fall. Moving pieces big and small. A knight jumps right, then leaps with grace. Strategy wins the thoughtful race. Coins aligned, the strike is near. Flick the striker, cheer will cheer. A flick so swift, the coins all roll. Aiming sharp to score a goal. Counting moves, each one true. Step by step the path we pursue. A queen moves forth with regal might to claim the game and win the fight. Coins return to center's ring, ready now for flicks to spring. A pawn steps out to guard the way. Defense is strong, come what may. Together friends, the fun's begun. Playing games with hearts as one.